You've done this before. You said, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow came, and suddenly you were cleaning your room, checking pointless emails, watching just one more video, and the day was gone. Why can't we just start? Here's the surprising truth. It's not because you're lazy. It's because you're smart lazy, and your brain is too good at protecting you from effort. Our brain is like an overprotective parent. The moment you try something big, a workout plan, a business, writing that book, it whispers, wait, that's risky. That's uncomfortable. Let's do something safe instead, like reorganizing the kitchen drawer. And because you're smart, your brain doesn't just say no. It negotiates. I'll start when I have more time. I need to do more research. It's not the right season. It sounds logical, but it's pure avoidance. Theory, I call it smart laziness. It's not doing nothing. It's doing the wrong things very efficiently. You make perfect spreadsheets, but never launch the project. You polish the wheels of a car that has no engine. And here's the scary part. The smarter you are, the better you are at justifying your avoidance. Think about that busy friend, always running around, always working, and yet nothing in their life actually changes. That's smart laziness. And you and I, we've both been that friend. Starting is hard because it's uncertain. You might fail. You might waste time. People might judge you. So your brain says, stay in the comfort zone where nothing bad happens. But here's the problem. In the comfort zone, nothing great happens either. You don't need to fight your brain head on. You need to trick it by lowering the resistance to starting. Here's how. 1. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll work for just 5 minutes. Because once you start, momentum takes over. 2. The one-task focus. Pick one thing that actually matters today. Ask, if I only did this, would today be a win? 3. The 80% rule. Forget perfect. Aim for 80% done and improve later. The important part is that it exists. I used to spend weeks preparing to start projects, reading, researching, planning. In reality, I was just scared. Then I tried the 5-minute rule. 5 minutes turned into 45. The project got finished the same day. That one small win changed everything. These tricks work because they bypass the brain's fear filter. Once the task feels small, your brain stops panicking. And when you're in motion, you shift from avoidance mode to engagement mode. That's when real productivity happens. Let's be honest. Most of us aren't lazy. We're just highly creative at avoiding the important stuff. We'll spend 2 hours finding the perfect playlist before cleaning, or watch productivity videos for 3 hours instead of working. That's smart laziness. Here's your challenge. Today, not tomorrow, take one thing you've been avoiding and give it 5 minutes. No pressure to finish. No pressure to be perfect. Just start. Because the real gap isn't between starting and finishing. It's between not starting and starting at all. If this hit home, don't just scroll away. Like this video if you're ready to break the comfort trap. Comment, starting now, so I know you're serious. And subscribe, because next time, we're going deeper into the psychology of unstoppable momentum. Let the world stay stuck at the starting line. You're taking the first step today.